Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to change Siri's name in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on accessibility and now scroll down, and here you can see the option vocal shortcuts. Click on vocal shortcuts and now click on add action and now click on continue, and here you can search Siri, and now here you can enter your command Mr. Mills, and after that click on done. Mr. Mills, Mr. Mills, Mr. Mills. Now click on continue. Your Siri name will be changed. So this is the way to change Siri's name in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.